Hello everyone, my name is Ero Ogenemaro Divine, a currently 200 level computer science student of DELSU, and I just concluded my scholarship training at Plus Hub in conjunction with NACOS, and this is my final project. I was given the project DELSU Tech Connect, so this is my code and I'm going to open it now. So this is my website, this is my landing page. You're getting to DELSU's Tech Community, a Get Started button. So I give a little info about what it's about. You see, you can join our community, meet techies, and so on. Then I also talk about upcoming events that will be pertaining to DELSU and HAMPLUS. Then I go on, you can also sign up for the newsletter with your email. Then let's look at the join page. On the join page, you can, for if you are trying to join our community, you can put in your full name, your email address, you select your area of interest, then you tell us why you want to join, then you hit the join now button. Then on our contact page for reaching support, you have this let's chat, you put in your name, your email, your message that you are trying to send there. You can also come here. So if you click here, you click get started, it says join our community. If you click, so that concludes my project for DELSU Tech Connect. I used HTML, CSS, then a bit of JavaScript. I used the JavaScript on my, the JavaScript was used for my mobile version for the menu bar. I applied a bit of CSS to make my menu pop up and the background to blur. So from HAMPLUS, I was able to learn about responsiveness and on-click functionality. As you can see, it is responsive to every kind of device. And this was where I used the JavaScript. I have my script tag here where I wrote the functionality. I use this to select the menu container, then use it to select the pop-up, use it to select my overlay. Then I'm going to trigger a function that adds a class name that toggles on and off a class name whenever I click the pop-up. This code here is what helps my pop-up appear whenever I click it. Okay, so now that's completed. So I'm done.